Viraja TV. Kohli to step down as T20 skipper after World Cup. Dubai. Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli announced on Thursday that he will be stepping down as the T20I captain after the complication of the men's T20 World Cup in Oman and the UAE in October. Kohli has taken the decision to manage his workload, which has been quite high in the last 5-6 years, as he has led India in all three formats. So he has been playing in all three formats for last 8-9 years. Kohli will continue to do so and said he will continue contribute as a batsman in T20.